Today, we all celebrate National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas, which was introduced by the Government of India in 2014 to pay tribute to the great man who really unified the country. While declaring October 31 as a National Unity Day, the central government said in an official statement that this occasion will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity, and security of our country. The man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Javerbhai Patel, was born in Nadiad, Gujarat on 31st October 1875. He was popularly known as Sardar Patel. He was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence. He acted as a home minister during the political integration of India and the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. He also served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was successfully a lawyer. He subsequently organized peasants from Kheda, Borsad, and Bardoli in Gujarat in non-violent civil disobedience against the British Raj. Under the chairmanship of Sardar Patel, Fundamental Rights and Economic Policy Resolution was passed by the Congress in 1931. Patel was intensely loyal to the Gandhi and organized relief efforts for refugees fleeing to Punjab and Delhi from Pakistan and worked to restore peace. He led the task of forming a united India, successfully integrating into the newly independent nation those British colonial provinces that had been allocated to India. It was Patel who pursued almost every princely state to accede to India. His commitment to national integration in the newly independent country was total and uncompromising, earning him this sobriquet Iron Man of India. He also remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants for having established the modern All India Services system. After suffering a massive heart attack, Patel died on 15 December 1950 at Birla House in Bombay. Patel is best remembered as the unifier of India, the Statue of Unity. The world's tallest statue was dedicated to him on 31st October 2018, which